All right, so I found really good song to test this with. It's one of the Three Doors Down songs, and it just sounds really good on this. Let's go ahead and just take a listen for a second. Nothing seems to fill this place. I need this. So it just sounds really good. If I had a subwoofer hooked up to this thing, I'm telling you, man, this thing would be amazing. And I do have one down here. I don't know if it will work or not. And the other problem with that subwoofer is getting to the back of it. It also stays on all the time. It's one of those annoying ones. They could try that and see if I can get to it. But yeah, this is not a bad amp at all, really, for audio. Let's see if we can figure out what this thing is set to. On or auto. Okay. It's even got the, you could feed it through there if you want. Which would be a pain, but I could do it. So it's a Polk Audio. So there's like a rattling sound. I figured out why I got this thing for cheap now. But anyway, there is a line 2 on the back of this thing. If you use line 2, you can also do line 2 out. So that's cool. So I'm feeding the sub with that. Let me see here. So basically, you can't really control it. It doesn't pan with the volume, but you set it to where you want it, and you can have the extra bass. But anyway, kind of a pain. I don't like running subwoofers. I like running straight up 2-channel audio. But anyway, I was just kind of an experiment. So that sounds pretty good. I need to get in here and probably give it a little bit more bass. Try it again. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, so you can kind of adjust the sweet spot. That was almost about as high as this amp can go. It just kind of runs out. It doesn't really distort too bad, it just runs out. Let's try this again. Poor thing, screwed up. If you push on it right here, it starts to work normal again. So the voice coil is crooked. So there's nothing you can do with this. This is done. That's why it was donated. Nothing to do with it now. Something I probably could do, I do have a subwoofer laying around somewhere from Car Audio crap. I might be able to put it in there. But the impedance is probably wrong. Anyway guys, said I would make a video of that, and you know, I really like audio stuff. I'm not really an audiophile, I'm just kind of a cheap audio guy like everything else. Thanks for watching.